Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a video with Just My Look. So Just My Look is an online retailer and they sell lots of amazing companies like Illamasqua, Essence, Catrice and companies like that. So they decided that they wanted to send me a full box of products that would be good for doing a full face of makeup. So this video is a collaboration with them, but I have not been paid to do this video. If you'd be interested to see a full face of Just My Look products, then please keep watching. So I'm starting off with the Catrice concealer, and this is liquid camouflage high coverage concealer and it lasts 24 hours, and using a Morphe M166 brush. You can use code GLAMFAM1168 for money off Morphe. I'm just applying this onto my lids, using it as an eye base because obviously I normally use the P. Louise base, but we're doing a full face today of Just My Look products, so they sent me their Catrice concealer for the eye base. So this is probably a little bit light, but I do think it will give a nice highlight to my face. I also find that it's mattified quite quickly, which is good, especially if you want an eye base. It's going to make it a bit easier to not crease. I'm now going in with the Catrice Neon Earth palette. This is so pretty. Ooh, I think this would be a really good palette for travelling in because it is quite little. So I'm going to go for some kind of orange tones today. So first I'm going to go into Eclipse here, and this is the dark brown, and using a Morphe M506 brush, I'm just patting this into the outer corner of my crease, and I'm just going to blend it up a little bit to the sort of temple and also a wee bit further into my eye. Now going in with Big Bang here, and this is a nice red colour, using another Morphe M506 brush, and I'm just blending this above and around the first colour that we have going, and I'm also going to blend that a little bit further into my eye now. I'm also just going to go back into Eclipse here, and I'm going to start kind of creating a liner, and I am using a Morphe Medicine Beer brush. This doesn't have a number, this is all it looks like. Basically just kind of smoking this out above my lash line, making sure that it's nice and dark. And I'm now going into Heat Wave up here, which is this nice burnt orange colour, with a Morphe M433 brush, and again I'm just blending this out and smoking it out a little bit higher into my outer corner, doing the usual wing that I always love to do. Now going into Big Bang with a Peaches and Cream PC31 brush, and I'm just making sure that liner is nice and smoked out. Now I'm going to go into this stunning shimmer here. This is Spark, and with another Morphe M456 brush, I'm just applying this onto my lids. And I'm just going back in again and making sure all of that's darkened up. Okay, so I'm super happy with this palette. Now there's like no fallout whatsoever, which is so good. So I'm just going to go and do my base before I do my under eyes. So I normally do my under eyes first, but I don't think there's going to be any fallout, so let's just go straight into the base. So I'm going in with a mix of the Illamasqua Skin Base 5.5 and 7.5. I was sent the 5.5 one, but I do have a little bit of a tan now, so I think it's best that I just mix them. And with a Peaches and Cream PC26 brush, I'm just applying this all over my face in a tapping motion. I do think that tapping motions are the best, as it kind of makes the same motion that a sponge would, but without all the disgusting bacteria that comes with a sponge. So I'm now going back in with the Catrice concealer, and using an xoxo blending brush, this is E812. You can use code LISA15 for money off this brand. I'm just applying this right underneath my eyes, making sure it's going super high up into that lash line. And I'm also applying it down the sides of my nose, the bridge of my nose, and any excess I have on my brush I'm going to put on my chin and the middle of my forehead. I'm now going underneath my eyes with Eclipse, just using the same brush as before. Then I'm going into Big Bang and going underneath my eyes again with the same brush as we used before. And I'm now going into Heat Wave with a Mullya Brown brush, Jade M014, and again I'm just going underneath my eyes with that. And I'm now going into Lightning here. This is like a nice yellowy kind of shimmer, and with a Morphe JH39, I'm just applying this into the inner corner of my eye. I'm now going into this Catrice bronzer. This is the mineral bronzer, and it has SPF in it, and it is 84% natural ingredients. It's also vegan. Such a nice colour. With a Spectrum A05 brush, I'm just applying this into my cheekbones. I'm also applying it to the outer half of my head. I'm now also contouring my nose with the same bronzer, and I'm also contouring my lips with it. And I'm now going in with the Essence Blush Lighter. So this is a blush and a highlighter. I loved it because it's just such a nice peachy colour here. I also do quite like a shimmery blush. Now Essence is one of their main brands on the site, so that is why I got quite a lot of Essence stuff. And I'm just using this blush brush. I don't know where it's from, it doesn't have a name. And I'm applying this onto my cheeks. Oh, that's so pretty. Gives such like a natural kind of shine to your face. I'm also applying this to my forehead and the tip of my nose. Now I'm just realising I forgot to get powder from just my look. So I am just going to use one of my own ones. So this is the Illamasqua Powder Foundation. Now they also actually have this on the site, so you could get this on the site. This is one of my favourite powders ever. It's really good to just give a little bit more colour. And because this concealer is probably a little bit light, it will kind of make that a little bit darker. I've also found with this concealer though that there's been absolutely no creasing under my eyes. So I think if I'd maybe got it in just a slightly darker colour, it would have been absolutely perfect. But a good thing with concealers is you can always just mix them. Okay, so I'm also going to be using an xoxo tapered face brush, and this is F627. So I'm just applying this underneath my eyes, kind of going towards my cheeks, basically covering all the area that I did with the concealer. I'm now going in with the Essence Choose Your Glow highlighter palette. Oh my lord, these are so gorgeous. I love the major glow here. This is going to go really nice with what we've got on already because it is kind of goldy, yellowy kind of theme. And I am using a Morphe M441 brush, and I'm just applying this to my cheeks. And I'm applying it to above the bridge of my brow, the end of my nose and the bridge of my nose. Now on to lips. So I got the Essence Soft Contouring Lip Liner, and this is in shade 15, something different. And I'm basically just overlining my lips slightly, putting them into the shape that I really like. I'm now going in with the Essence Stay 8 Hour Matte Liquid Lipstick, and with a Morphe M213 brush, I'm just applying this all over my lips. I love this colour, this is like my perfect lip colour. Now going in with the Essence Eyeliner Pen. I'm just going to put a really thin line above my lash line just to make sure that the lashes are going to blend in really nice. I realised that I forgot to get any brow products, so I'm just going to do my brows up quickly off camera, but I'm just using brow soap and a brow pencil. Okay, so I was also gifted some Geo Glue, which is my favourite ever lash glue, and Oh My Lash. And these are the Day to Night lashes. These are so stunning. So I think I'm going to pick the middle pair here so they're nice in between. I'm just going to do this off camera, but if you'd like to see how to put on lashes, I will leave it in the top right hand corner. So these are the lashes on. They are so nice and so flattering. I'm now going to finish off with some mascara. So this is Essence again, and this is Lash Princess. And I'm just applying this all over my top and bottom lashes. Wow, I really like this product. It's really nice and thick, so it coats your lashes really well. I also think the packaging is so cute. So this little bit here is rubber, so you can get a good grip on it. I'm just going to sort out my hair, and then I will come back to finish off the video. And this is the finished look. Thank you so much, Just My Look, for giving me all the product for this video. I really love them. I especially love this highlighter palette. I just think it's so cute, but I am a bit obsessed with highlight. Of course, I picked all of these products myself, so I picked the things I knew I was going to like. But this is the first time that I've done anything like this, so I hope that you really enjoyed it. If you haven't already, please check out my last video. I'll leave it in the top right hand corner. Also, like and subscribe down below. Turn on the notification bell so you don't miss an upload. If you have made it all the way to the end of this video, congratulations. I would love, what emoji can we leave in the comments? I want you to leave a dolphin emoji in the comments if you made it this far in the video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye 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 bye.